So this is going to be a brief video demo on using Google Ads API with large language models for negative keyword optimization. So I saw on LinkedIn that there was a post going on about how Google had released a new tool on GitHub that would let people basically interface with the Google Ads API and then pass that information along with the website information to a large language model like ChatGPT or Gemini. I played around with it for an hour or two. It was too buggy and I didn't like it, and I figured, you know what, I already had enough code built where it wouldn't take me that long to rebuild something like that, but I have total control over it, so that's what this project's about. So this is not going to be an in-depth demo. What's going on is we're just going to go over the tools involved with this. So using Google Ads, Python, the software development kit that it allows Python to interface with Google's Ad API. You'll need to set up your own Google app within their with your Google account. I'm not going to get into that. We're going to use Selenium to actually scrape the website so you can get the data. We're going to use Hugging Face to be able to access models like Llama, 3.1, the 8 billion parameter model, like this. So I'll show you what's going on here. So this is just a few from my own campaigns. So what it's going to do is it's going to gather this data it's going to grab the negative keywords. It's going to grab the ad groups that it's associated with, and it's going to grab the ads that those ad groups are associated with. So the reason we want that is because we'll figure out, we'll be able to pass the website information along, and we'll be able to figure out, like, okay, do any of the negative keywords that I have set up, are they accidentally blocking some high intent traffic? This can also be useful if you want to audit consistency among your keywords, your ad, and your landing page. So we can see here, we've got all the Google Ads data. And what's going on now is it's looping through each of those URLs, and it's passing along all the keywords, negative keywords associated with that URL. It's gathering the text from the website using Selenium, and it's passing it along to a Llama 3 model. And that's what's going on here. So here's a revised list. So you can see here, these are all related to either Google Ads or web design. So it's cutting out things like free or like the Google Ads tutorials. So it's revising, it's giving recommendations for, like, hey, are any of these negative like if it's looking at the existing list and saying, hey, these are here if they shouldn't be. And it's also looking at the existing list and saying, hey, here's a few that you should add. So I can make this code available if anyone's interested, and I can also make a more in-depth video. This is more of just a brief overview. It only took a few hours to put this stuff together. So comment below if you're interested. Thanks for watching.